Hello everyone, this is Surya Prakash from EPIT Research Lab Private Limited. So we are here to present a new project. So the title of the project is Load Control Using Voice Assistant. So here we are using Google Voice Assistant and a Raspberry Pi. So this is the Raspberry Pi GUI. You can visualize it in VNC viewer. So here coming to the material list, this is Raspberry Pi 3 and this is a 4-channel relay. So we are going to control the loads with this relay channel, and this is the mic that I'm going to use. So this is the mic which converts our voice into the text. So using this mic we are going to convert the voice into text using Raspberry Pi. And so let's see the working of the project. So here if we run the code, so let me run the code. Google lights off. Google lights on. गूगल लाइट्स को बंद कर दो. गूगल लाइट्स को चालू कर दो. Google light 1 off. Google lights off. Google light 2 को चालू कर दो. गूगल लाइट्स को चालू कर दो. गूगल लाइट्स को बंद कर दो. गूगल लाइट 4 बंद कर दो. Oh, I missed. It's already in off. So let's see once again. So but for some time it will take some processing, because this should be analyzed by the Google voice assistant bot. So we need to wait till it get analyzed. So you should get a got it here. Google lights on. Right. Google lights off. So right, by this way you can able to control all the 4 lights individually, and you can turn off all the lights and you can turn on all the lights. And this is the explanation regarding the project. So we can make very detailed customization based on your requirement, and this is not with any API. So we have used very simple and free sources of libraries that are available for this project. So we have not used any kind of voice assistant APIs. So thank you for watching this video. We request please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with our channel updates. So we are going to present much more interesting videos in next upcoming videos. So in that we also integrate many things like projects with IoT, data science and machine learning even. So we are going to handle all the things in future coming videos. So please do subscribe and please do share and like the videos. So this will encourage us a lot. So thank you so much. So meet you in the next video. Bye bye.